Let's make this delicious honey jerk wings recipe. I love a good wings recipe because they're so easy to make, great for beginners, but absolutely delicious. So first of all, I've got some chicken wings and I am just chopping these into smaller pieces. Then I'm going to take them away. I'm obviously going to clean them. I use water and vinegar, and then I'm going to start to season them. I've got a bit of oil, some salt, black pepper, garlic granules, all-purpose, jerk marinade, browning for color, and I just start to massage this all into the chicken. You want all of it coated as much as possible. Now I'm spreading these onto my baking tray. So take these away and bake them on 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. In total, we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. But in the meantime, we are making the sweet honey marinade to put on top of the wings. So I've just got some honey, some jerk marinade, and some soy sauce. And I'm mixing this all together. Now, take your wings out of the oven after they've baked for about 15 minutes and then use a kitchen brush to spread that delicious honey jerk sauce on top of the chicken, and you want to put it on both sides of your chicken. Now this just gives it a nice sweet kick after you've already got the very flavorful jerk marinade all over these. We take it away again and cook it for 15 more minutes on 180 degrees Celsius, and then you're done. So you can eat this with rice, you can eat it with chips. I like to eat mine with chips or potatoes. I garnish it with spring onions, and the sauce I've got here is just a mix of tomato sauce and mayonnaise. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.